near the come Mahama so catch no. So nim no Jakpa, da no. Na se galamsey no well focus it. No ye na channel ye kwachino. O kwachi hwan. O nim no kwa ye kwachino. 4 years so na se galamsey president Mahama ntumi ye ho bibi kakra. President Mahama no aso bo e be bu no wo kromu na be so no.
Ebusiamfo aha Ghana TV GH mesro like, comment, subscribe, turn on notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded you'll be notified. Ebusiamfo nyama bebre cause Ghana say udwinwa wonti ase I say I mean Omampeni Odwan Mahama, he has been in power for the past 9 months going to 10 months. Now, within that period, Ghana has still been operating. Since say Juma 4 year Juma, unnecessary Juma soldiers, police for Abajuma for Nina Omuye Juma. Now, Nekos say, go for no me Omuye Omujuma no, but pass Abambe to Mukadia. Lie. Na nkofo ye dwuma no so no yenim se aban no gi taxes eto yensa yes aban no gi every now and then enti nkofo be bisa se ebane se na ye dwuma anase nkofo ye dwuma ma aban no adwuma no de aban ka kire nkofo no se omunja dwuma no ye o omuye dwuma no de bia Monday ekosi Friday ebi mu Monday to Sunday sa throughout the week omuko ebane se na enu dia aban ni twika se kachira mu se omunjai but pass obet ombetio amudie endie omuntio omu na sakasem ne asem a aba se de ye fifa asem ne ma ye hwehwemu ehun se we die beka akufado ka se onu akufado ba be protect public person no enyesa public person ye taxes ye consolidated fund obe using judiciously na ye hu andajoma ma na ni se sa public purse Akufo buy na be protecting 8 months 8 years no within 9 months no public purse no aira yes public purse na aira you see public purse any Ghana abium obi we purse no me see public purse Akufo any jotaba o me protect 8 years no sa public purse no say under Mahama no aira. And Yiraya, Ebanisena up to now, nurses are not paid, teachers are not paid, railway workers are not paid, junior doctors are not paid. Say person Yiraya, why are you still owing almost as a big biya oya buying my phone nano mudi omuka? Enti media I can conclude say person Yira. Now we cry me na make market na ba me minu bi. Edi nkomo ena na omka say say na mo hu ni amanu de public purse IFN public purse pa de aira and to say this fought me ba ban mu na within 9 months ade IFN public purse net me yira sa de na obi anya salary a endie ya yejeje na anu na ekofa bae we de nyen na anu de bi na anu recently ya 7 December ya na ekofa bae di ya yejeje and Tebusiamfo, wow, to me public person na my asunti why. Now if I come is John Mahama, now to meet you and Krofoka. And son say, if you don't find this public person there, Tebusiamfo, a comedy for baby. Now comedy Krofon they will die. They will die in Swa and will bury them. Tebusiamfo, the video is happening. See you in the next one. Cheers.
Kufoma, Chatukata pardon. Chatukata Babo until he sued government of Ghana, AG, or the Ghana court. And you know what the court said? The court said the offense is frivolous. And the offense also, and your papa, the criminal way books mukra. And this is what the court said. The court said that the entire say Ghana constitution say Boni be a criminal offense. I would be to obisono. It must be prescribed. And was see to me Boni cronim. Any dear A B C D E F G kosi Z. A count bomua ema eye boni. In the case of willfully causing financial loss to the state, there was no definition of willful. It is also in the to say that Trikata the only to Gofredami de ya. And then Gofredami ya just obwa pasheda a contract also. Because the Attorney General and its capacity as Attorney General on your investigations. It's in Crawford, directors of public prosecution, no, any lawyers now on a coin or magada investigate. In fact, police prosecutorial work in investigation, they do it through the police. And he said, Attorney General coin and you man only police for the corner police for the information be brenna. How do you say that person intro? And then you want to hold him personally liable. Personally. Case won't go see Jakpa, my president, Mahama focus on Eduma. Say Galamse and Aji going. And then do Jita Macro catch it important so 11 million. Now, I'm focusing on my head, Juma big push. Galamse on best solve it. If I President Mahama, I did about 4 years. Say President Mahama and to me and solve it. Sa Galamse issue now. Nasubi and what I say, or better Kufado. Nasubi a version because everybody can remember. And 4 years, because see, President Mahama is in a very peculiar position because on Senasu 8 years. On Senasu 8 years. Now the ones a branch of Kuma would a brave or so, and a President Mahama and some constitution. Canada Casa will be uncle him. Yem Busan, 70 million children, we are not so can and we got okay, President Rollins, when we are constitution. Ya one year maybe a Dutch constitution may entrench, and then on the bro for no. Oh, to me, so I take enquiry. Oh, majority crowd or parliament to cross super majority. Who to me could ye? To me, Tanamo, they'll be outside but your mother said that's your brandy and your class. President Mahama, you guys are President Mahama or a John. Come on, I'm about you money yeah. Yes, some constitution money is simple, sir. Said it changing or amending an entrenched clause in the constitution. It's a simple matter. It's something that the president can just wake up or John Soba. No, about a year. And that's a warner. Kuma would know now catch over President Mahama Nyansa. One other trend is all go change. This is an entrenched clause. And your clause, I just a referendum, yan solid keke, and co change. The president cannot do that. Or they don't change it. It's President Mahama 4 years. Maybe or the Erikopokuba na Julia Braba no bet was one man, but 4 years, you know. There's an obligation of President Mahama also solving Galamsey, no. On one account, we see a couple of time, the state of the emergency. Now, they also may state of the emergency. Those are the questions that President Mahama to me are solving. Those are the questions that people will be asking him. And that is why at 4 years, President Mahama must not allow Jakpa. I'm choosing my words very carefully. The president must not allow Jakpa because Jakpa need any ballot paper. Need any history books. President Mahama na need what history book. No matter what. Or yet they need what history books. So no ma Jakpa no kwai. No more dada no na. And you need aging country manson. Nonsense. Only aging country manson. When there's a major policy, a priority area, I was the president focusing on. Big push no way. 24-hour economy no way. Oh, Jakpa, what teaching cough when I'll board President Mahama. I'm going to make 24-hour economy and can buy now. And can we moving very far? You're moving very far. And can boy see and you many want to United internet to see your romance scam and kaka 1 or 2 jobs didn't carry a by next year now line up or move you are going to arrest people. Godfrey Dame. The one who squad the begu 70 lawyers. When trials a case no court, who best spend 100 years. Oh, we case lawyers see the technicalities better man's one. You bet to me at Sheman Sona till that kingdom come. 100 years. This is a needless battle. This is a waste of time. Mama President Mahama focus on the here. No, we are here no. Say first in the first 3 years, what you mean your 24-hour economy, no. That's a time we more. And you know what I got say. But for me, if you ask me, sometimes the folks say we are diversionary tactics. Because there 1 week in the next is cost strike. Junior doctors is almost on cost strike. This is a clear diversionary tactics. Who to me, I'm a cock friend Sunday, KT Kokoti, diversionary tactics. There is a major pressing matter before Ghana. Next is cost strike. And next is CBSU. Get back to and confront the online or my contribution on the Akomano. Galamse is a major issue. Can I see once a month? Now, NDC, that was in opposition that was calling for a state of emergency. NDC that said Nanado, went to me and Wute. And we all agreed, Nanado went to me and now NDC is saying so that be wow, because President Mahama fighting Galamse Biano. Oh, my pressure. No, be by the can a year first say, can I see better? Me former boss say, can I see MPP? Ah, now Obia all can say I'm fighting Galamse no MPP. Seriously? Guys, sometimes we should grow up, eh? Sam George, Mami Koti, Sam George, bro. What's the elevation? We must elevate ourselves. Yeah, elevate the conversation, no. MPP time no more kasi fighting galamsey no mo nye NDC. By Nadia, omo see fighting galamsey no mo MPP for. It doesn't even make sense. How does it make sense? Clear it up for me. How is it even reasonable? It's not even a matter of whether it makes sense or not. Is it even reasonable? Where are some to assume na? MPP time no kufuado to on here fighting galamsey no problem. Yanko kato be opposition. MPP for some arrogance, which is why they went into opposition. Maybe any Gabi there, I could never be na. And say he has been in meetings where Ashanti regional MPs were saying, "Omo de omo pay major roles." Omo de, Gabi, obi ni muna, Gab, tenasi. Monje Mike ni fi Gabi nsem. Monje Mike ni fi Gabi nsem. Mo mane ko Johnson no koda. Gabi asaroche da. Ko mo mane ko Johnson na onda. Nya hi a microphone de. Nya hi a microphone Samone awo. Nya ke Gabi asaroche da kwa kenke e samone awo. Hey. Sia Ibrahim Mahama. Onu ni niawa aba mu no. You see, says Ibrahim Mahama ye boni kra so obi antumi nka. Why? Because onya kakra kra o philanthropy no de bia ye Gabi. Mi hu nipa Gabi ye se wakwa kosa ne yare, wakoye we, wakoboa we, wa dabi. Uye bidi aye hu, ene ema ye hu. Enti there's some kind of resentment towards Gabi ne nkrofo no nanadu nuanom no, to the extent that even people say that nanadu issues onya ye because of mo Gabi mo. Enti you are the last person osa wo kasa Gabi. You are the last person that you should talk. In fact, I'm afraid we event to be a menko hide home. Don't go. When he anti menko. Menko. Nanado Bobby and me, I knew Nanado when he was in opposition. Ne vim the zeal. Papa ni peso yedi ma moga biya na mama Nanado. Anye ni amana no peso yen. To tugu nasum. To tugu papa nasum negatively. To tugu nasum. Tutugu nasum eka wo wafa wa bemu a niama bi wo echi a mo na mo friend dem na mo timi aka mo ntwen man adapa meda bonten na mama ni ade na kotro kan wi a there you have the audacity wa kofa microphone wo be kirem Ashanti region. Do you know NDC vote omunya wa Ashanti region? Their vote grew by 5%. 5%. What are you talking about? One had the channel. Nipa krono catch us a member ye bridge interchange wa Ashanti region bonidi fa video bra. Fa video bra. And no why crack can I actually no. Afag bossy. Okay, can I actually Gabi Asaroche da kuse masa Vimlady ye jeme. Kefi Vimlady was someone I can hear ye be. Vimlady keep quiet. Hush up. Or say Gabi Asaroche da I never set my eyes on you from 2017 up until 2025 August. When and where was this meeting on Ashanti development? Gabi, come and produce the evidence here. Yedi okahona President Kufuor yedi pa. Yedi advice yedi ma wontie. The futu yedi ma wontie akakabin se dwai. Ye say I know who tweet. Me say me Martina radio so many times Gabi, you are not the information of a minister. Go down compromise the information of that. Stop tweeting. Went here, no tweeting. Say who tweeting. And go for bu afukura mo ka say du many now tweeting say ebufu sem sa show mo wa be gra be ka Ashanti mata kope baby da. Me say me bri ekuro. Ye de ani bre. In fact, next time I be fa mic no, obi su ani su na be talk o Gabi. Obi si ebe siwe man na wo kasa na o mo sori no enko bi na betwe be wo bi a betwe kope baby da hey kope baby da people are upset. Why is the thing that you people did in government is the reason why Baomiane Brian Champonum Canada Japan they are all struggling. Where the justification men no more. You encourage the incorrigible. You people were behind it. I just go where we have the kind of Ashanti with them. No more catch on, but in another free a doctor say for evidence, bra. Go and bring the Mr. Monje microphone in free gabism. He should forever shut up. If you could not correct any evil, when offer Nana the war power now, forever hold your peace. You have lost any right to talk about any raging, any other baby crowd. They were gonna forward for some before the minute they come out, so you catch no. So Nimno Madapa, that no. Nasa Galam say no well focus it. No, yeah, channel, ya cochino. Oh, kochi wine. O nimno kwa ye kochi no. 4 years so na se galamsey President Mahama ntumi nye ho bibi kakra. President Mahama no aso boy be bunu wa krom na be shock no.
I saw a video going around suggesting that Honorable Dr. Jakpa has refused to support Chairman Wontumi in his bail application. It has never happened. Indeed, I did not call him because I know that he is the one who stood surety for Chairman Wontumi at Yoko. And therefore, it wouldn't sound very right for him to do it again here. So I didn't call him. He has been calling me every day, following what is happening, and also offering to lend support where necessary. Indeed, I cannot be ungrateful to him because at the last time that he offered to stand surety for him, it was also at his cost. The validation and evaluation, the cost was borne by Honorable Dr. Odwan Richard Jakpa. The video that I saw had my good brother doing the advocacy. And I want him to confirm that nobody ever approached Honorable Dr. Odwan Richard Jakpa, and he indeed did not give any indication that he will support, and that he has been very supportive. In fact, he called me even today to find out what is happening. So my brother, just retract your statement.
Oh yes, I retract it, and it was the journalist who asked me that they have heard something of that sort, not knowing Dr. Odwan Jakpa had not said anything like that. So it's something I retract, and it should go to his credit.
Thank you very much. And it is important for us to propose unity at some point in the life of the party getting into 2028. I will not be an advocate of division. I am always inviting people to join hands for the collective responsibility and work of the party. So it hasn't happened. He didn't say that. And whoever may have misquoted anybody is wrong. And that the author of that video is here and saying that it did not happen. We should be grateful to him, knowing even how much he spent in the evaluation and verification process at the last time. And don't forget, that was 50 million. People who are also bringing support here now for 50 million are struggling and crying. But Dr. Odwan Jakpa financed the 50 million bill. We should give credit to him.